Let me show you how we can deactivate TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. But before I actually show you, I need to explain how we can navigate on our phone when TalkBack is enabled, because unfortunately the navigation is slightly altered with TalkBack enabled. So one thing that you need to know is that if you want to select something, whether it is like an option in the settings or an app in any of these screens, or even your buttons at the bottom of the screen if you use 3 buttons navigation, if you want to use them, first you need to tap on that option in order to highlight it, and then you double tap anywhere on the screen in order to use it, pretty much, to activate it, to open it, whatever it is. And you can also swipe left and right in order to go through the list of different options that you have right now on this screen, but usually, from my experience, tapping once is the way to go. And also, any gesture that you perform on your screen, whether it is like scrolling up or down on a list or in the menu, or maybe like navigating with the gesture navigation, stuff like that, these gestures have to be performed with 2 fingers instead of just 1. So we're gonna start from the home screen actually, just to show you how to navigate directly into the TalkBack menu to turn it off. So in that case, I'm just gonna use 2 fingers to go to the list of background apps. There we go. And then I'm gonna close everything over here. So I'm gonna tap on close all and then double tap. Now, first, of course, we need to open settings. So I'm gonna use 2 fingers to go to the app drawer. In here, tap on the settings once and then double tap to confirm. Now we need to scroll down. So as I said, we need to use 2 fingers for that. And we need to find the accessibility option. So we're gonna tap on accessibility once and then double tap. We want to go to TalkBack, of course. So we're gonna tap on TalkBack once in order to select it and then double tap to confirm. Now in here we should be able to find the switcher. So we're gonna tap on the switcher once and then double tap. And then tap on a turn off once and double tap to confirm. And once the TalkBack is disabled, you should be able to go back to standard navigation. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.